Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be finally making another DIY video. This is one of my most popular videos here on my channel and most requested also, but the only reason why I don't make it too often is because I'm very proud of my past DIY videos. I love those videos and I feel like I can't outdo myself almost with those videos, but I've realized and I've come to the conclusion that that isn't a good enough reason for me to stop making DIY videos. So I've worked really hard on today's video. I've tried to make it as simple, and also I've tried to use things that would be easily available at home, because right now obviously we can't go out and buy stuff. So I'm gonna be using clothes that I already have at home, and again I've kept the pieces very basic, so like a plain white ganji, tube top, scarf, just very basic stuff that you, me and everyone has at home. So if you're interested, let's just get started with today's video. So for DIY number 1, we're gonna be making a top with ribbon sleeves. So I've been seeing this trend going around, especially on Pinterest. I've seen a lot of girls wearing this type of top where their sleeves have bows on them, and it looks very pretty, very feminine. And I tried to look it up on Shein and a couple of other websites also. It's very expensive to buy it, so I thought, why not, let's just make it. And it literally takes 5 minutes. So I started off by measuring my ribbon, and I went for 50 centimeter ka height for each ribbon. If you have more ribbon, I will recommend for you to cut about 60 centimeters jitna. You need 4 pieces of ribbons. This is what the 4 pieces look like. And then I went ahead and flipped my tube top inside out so that we can start sticking the ribbons as straps. My tube top is red in color and so are the ribbons. So if you have a white tube top, I would recommend to go with white ribbons. It'll just look better in my opinion. And here, as you can see, I'm just figuring out the placement of the ribbons. Once that's in place, I'm going in with my hot glue gun in order to stick these on. I've always used hot glue gun in the past also in order to stick my clothes together, and it's never been a problem. I've tossed them in the wash as well and it never seems to loosen, the grip doesn't seem to loosen up. So if you have fabric glue, you can use that as well, or you can even stitch it. That's of course the safest option, but it takes too much of effort, so I choose not to do it. Hot glue gun is just way easier and it's very sturdy in my opinion. So I'm just doing 2 straps in the front and of course 2 straps in the back. And guess what? That's about it. That's all you need to do. You just need to stick these 4 pieces of ribbon on, and there you have a brand new top. And this is what the top looks like on me. If you want your bows to be more fluffier and more exaggerated, of course cut your ribbons longer than 50 centimeters. Now DIY number 2 is again something that I've been seeing a lot on the internet, more so Instagram. People wearing bandanas and scarves as tops. I know you can tie it up in different ways and make it look like a top, but I wanted to go a step further and actually make it look like a top. So I've used very basic stuff as I said, a bandana. If you don't have a bandana, you can use a scarf. I'm sure you have a scarf at home. Pick a print that you would actually wear out, and another thing that you're going to need are ribbons. So my mom literally collects ribbons off of my PR packages or just gift boxes, and she has collected so much ribbon ka stock. And me too personally, since I'm such a stationery hoard, I have so much ribbon stock. I feel ribbon sabke ghar pe hota hi hai almost, so you can use that, or you could even use some shoelace. This top I would actually wear out. Actually I would wear everything that I've made out, but this especially I can't wait to wear, especially at a tropical beach sort of a location. Don't know when that's gonna happen, but can't wait to wear it. Okay, so I'm gonna start by placing the bandana in kind of a diamond formation in front of me, and then I'm gonna start working on the side straps. So I'm gonna take a ribbon which is about 45 centimeters long, and I'm gonna stick it on either sides of the diamond. Again, I'm using a hot glue gun. So stick the ribbons on either sides of the rectangle. These are the straps that are gonna help us tie the top at the back. And once we're done working on that, we'll move on to the halter section of the top. top, the neckline of the top. So I'm gonna start off by making a sort of triangle, like how you can see. I would say the height of the triangle should be between 3 to 4 centimeters. मेरा triangle यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा है. I will have to go in and change it later on, so you guys don't make the same mistake as me. Keep the triangle small, and then here I'm placing the ribbon inside the triangle. This is the ribbon that is going to help us tie the top around our necks. So just glue the ribbon inside the triangle and stick the triangle completely flat on the cloth. Now you could wear your top just like that, but I like to tuck in the bottom triangle inside to kind of make it like a crop top, and this is what it looks like from the front. And from the back also it looks very pretty. I think the ribbons like look very pretty and complement the top really well. The next top I'm so excited to share with you guys because it turned out so cute. It's so retro. I am in love with this top. It's like very like 7 rings, like Ariana Grande inspired sort of a top. I actually saw a very similar top on Shein and it was very expensive, so I thought I would of course make it at home. And I literally used like 2 different things. The first one being like a plain cami. I think cami तो सबके पास होता ही है, कोई भी color you could use. I would say white because then the fur would match the white and it would look like more in sync. And the second thing being fur. I feel like fur आजकल सबके घर पे ही होता है. A few years ago that wasn't the case, but these days I feel like everyone has like fur for like decor. It's become such a thing. So you're just gonna need a couple of inches of that fur. So here I'm gonna take my cami and I'm gonna place the fur का टुकड़ा on top of it in order to measure how much I need. Like the breadth, that's gonna vary person to person, whereas the height I took about 5 centimeters of height of the kapda, fur ka tukda, and then like so I'm gonna start rolling it into like a Frankie, almost like a roll. Of course using my hot glue gun again in order to secure it and glue it in place. It's very straightforward. Just follow what I'm doing and keep rolling and keep gluing. And once you have this really cute furry roll ready, stick it onto the neckline of the top. Now since we are sticking fur, I will recommend using a little bit extra glue just so that you have it secured in place. And that's really about it. And that's what the furry camisole looks like. It's white, so it's gonna go with a lot of my outfits, but it's a little bit more special than a plain white top. Now on to the last DIY. I love the way this turned out. Actually, to be very honest, I loved everything that I've made. I'm very excited to share this video with you guys. But more so this one. This is like very like grungy and like gothy and like edgy vibes, which is so not me, but I really like the way this one turned out. For this, you're gonna need just like a plain t-shirt. I would recommend going with like darker colors like navy blue or black. And the second thing that you're gonna need are safety pins. Safety pins तो सबके घर पे होते ही है. So this is how I made my very grungy, very trendy also आजकल. I've seen a lot of people wearing these safety pin shirts. So this is how I made it. So here I'm gonna start off by making this regular looking t-shirt into a choker t-shirt. I do have a DIY on this in like a previous video, so I'm gonna make sure to link that just in case you want like a more detailed explanation. But all I'm doing is I'm drawing kind of like a inverted triangle around my neckline. And another thing that I'm doing is I'm making 2 rectangles on the sides of it, kind of joining my sleeves, as you can see. You'll see what I'm gonna do with that in just a bit. So once I'm done drawing that stencil out, I'm just gonna cut it all out. Once I'm done with the cutting, I'm gonna go in with my safety pins and attach the safety pins on the sleeve portion. I'm gonna leave the neckline, the triangle alone. We're just going to concentrate on the side wale 2 rectangles and attach them almost together with safety pins. Here's a close-up of how I attach the safety pins, just in case you weren't sure of how I'm doing it. Now this wasn't enough for me, so I wanted to kind of cut it niche se and do the same thing again. So here, as you can see, I'm just drawing a line just to figure out कि कितना length रखना है and almost cropping the top, but we're not going to throw away the नीचे का part. You'll see we're going to use that also abhi. And then like earlier, we're going to take our safety pin again and attach the नीचे का portion with the actual top. I decided to pin the left corner and the right corner first, just so that I know कि कितना width होना चाहिए. And also for this, I used bigger safety pins. distance. Now when you're working on this lower portion, you will have to go through the entire front portion and the back portion also. So I took about like 15-20 minutes in order to safety pin everything in the midriff, and this is what the top looks like. I absolutely love it. I honestly cannot wait to style it and actually wear it outside. According to me, it looks very expensive, and even if you have like minimum crafty skill, you should be able to pull this off. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed and of course found it helpful. If you happen to recreate any of these like tops, do let me know and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see you guys' recreations. As always, don't forget to subscribe and click on the little bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. Follow me on my Instagram and follow Simba Lifestyle. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!